assignment due last Saturday was. I was just like randomly, just like 3 little sentences basically.
Yeah.
That we were all supposed to separately turn in.
I didn't realize that, so I have to do that now.
No, we didn't realize it until Rachel told us on the.
Did she tell you?
And
Yeah.
then in the group text, she was like, "No, we're all supposed to do it separately," and we're like, "No, we're not. You're supposed to do it." And then, but then we looked, like he looked later that night, and,
It was like,
and then he called me, and I'm already in bed, and I'm like, "What?" And he's like, "We have this thing due right now."
Oh gosh.
The internet cut out.
And my internet cut out.
Oh gosh. Hello, it's group number 14. Rachel should be joining us soon. But we have here.
Hey.
Hello.
So we all will be present. Rachel's here. And we're taking the lesson 21 group meeting quiz. Okay.
Oh, and Rachel's part is due this today.
Let Rachel's part. Okay. Do we submit Rachel's part?
Individually?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because there's a Dropbox. I feel like we just should.
Have our own Dropboxes.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yeah.
it's like, we should just keep sending each other a copy of our parts and all
Yeah.
submitting it.
Yeah. Because then, we might as well, because we're going to all have to type this up. I better all be on the same page as what each one's doing. Okay. Okay, we're going to need all these.
There's still 3 parts left, isn't
Yeah, so Rachel's part.
Well, because there's
Part, my
mine, yours, and then a power plan at the end.
Yep.
Which we'll work on all together.
No! Oh my gosh, what happened to you?
I broke my nose.
Gosh.
Surgery.
You went
So-
what?
I had surgery. So,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
So,
bueno. How are you feeling?
hurting, but okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry. How long ago was it, or did you just get it done?
I got it done Monday.
Oh gosh,
So,
that's a.
so I know I debated whether or not I want to be on video today. So,
Well, I'm sure not many people watch this, so I think that'll be okay.
it's kind of embarrassing, but
Yeah. I couldn't care less.
okay.
No worries. Okay. Are you in the quiz at all, or?
I am getting there. So, are you guys in it right now?
Yeah, we just opened it up. Right as you came on, I brought it open.
Okay, sounds good.
So, no worries. Says cool. I'm just looking up. A correlation coefficient is used to quantify. Well, it tells us the direction and strength of the linear association between 2 variables. So,
We did that in algebra class. I see that in one of the files.
oh really?
Wow, yeah, we did that in the class.
Oh, yeah, in Math 110. In Math 110, which is algebra.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm
Trig 109.
no, Trig's 111.
What's 109?
All right.
Math 108, like the beginning one.
The 110 is algebra.
Math 109, I think, is the combination when you take Math 110 and Math 111 together in a semester. Yeah.
Because 112 is calculus.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that.
You have to take it. Sorry. Okay, the direction and strength of a linear association between 2 variables. So, third one, not really direction and strength.
Correlation is used to quantify the direction and strength of a linear
Relationships.
relationship.
Says exactly in the reading.
Yeah, that looks like textbook.
If the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, if the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases. So it's essentially saying if the direction is negative, is the strength negative too? Which, no. Okay, it says the correlation coefficient that is used to measure the direction strength of one association between two variables. The direction is either positive, negative, or neither. The strength can either be described as weak, moderate, or strong. Oh, here we go. Describing the strength and correlation, 2.1.4. The correlation coefficient is usually negative 1 to 1. If there is a strong association, the correlation coefficient will be close to 1. If the correlation coefficient is relatively close to 0, we say that the coefficient is a weak positive. Similarly, if the coefficient is close to -1, we say that there is a strong negative association. A weak negative association would be a correlation coefficient that is negative but close to 0. So if you're looking back at the quiz, so if the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, shouldn't the other variable, doesn't have to follow it? Because it can be negative and strong.
Yeah, 'cause like the X, like
Yeah.
it's gonna be over here, and like over here, over here.
Yeah, so it can be negative strong, negative weak, positive weak, positive strong. So it doesn't follow it. So I'm saying,
The variable.
Are you on question 2
unpredictable.
or 4?
Yeah, we're on question 2. So question 1 says it right in the reading. So the direction and the correlation coefficient is used to quantify the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Okay.
So it's always direction and strength, if you remember that one. I remember this from algebra. And then question 4 is, so it says if the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, we're thinking the other variable is unpredictable because it's saying, like, it can be, your correlation coefficient can be strong and negative, or it can be like strong and positive. I mean, strong and negative, weak and negative. So it doesn't have to, like, they're not always connected.
Sure.
In that sense, but I don't know, that's what I'm thinking, because it doesn't seem like they're connected in that way.
Yeah.
My thought.
I kind of wrote down, it said how, like, to define a negative association, they oppose each other. So if one, let's see, variable increases, then the other variable decreases.
Oh, so opposite.
Yeah, they're opposite from each other. That's what I got from a negative coefficient.
So she's thinking if the correlation coefficient is negative, then when one variable increases, the other one decreases.
Okay, where?
Do you know where in the reading you saw that?
Yeah, let me open it. It's on here.
No, you're fine. Okay, so if it's a positive association, when one variable increases, leads to an increase in the other variable. But if they're a correlation coefficient, it says the direction can either be positive, negative, or neither. Sorry, the strength can be that. So it says if someone's height increases, we would expect their weight to increase typically. But it says when an increase in a variable is when an increase in one variable is associated with a decrease in another variable, we call that negative association between two variables. You're right. I found it in the reading. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just taking me. Yep.
You still have 2 left in this? Or do we have 1?
Is there only one example in this class?
I do not know. Okay, here it says the correlation coefficient is affected by outliers. So Yes, it says the
Yes.
outlier, so it's not, so that would be false.
Or false,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay. Yeah. For the next two questions, we take Old Faithful data to compute the correlation coefficient of the duration and weight. Input the correlation coefficient. Let me open up Old Faithful real quick. Open data. Old Faithful. Okay. It's the same one in the reading. Interesting. I'm just looking at where. Sorry. Oops. Look. The heavy backpack. Okay. Okay, so let's analyze, correlate, birelate. So analyze, correlate, birelate. I don't know. Click on the name of one of the variables you want to compare, then click on the arrow to move it into the variables list. Repeat these steps for the variables you want to obtain in the correlation coefficient. Okay, which one did we want? We wanted duration and weight. So you want both. Goodness. Click OK. Results from the correlation box. This will be labeled as previous correlation. Match the row and column of the variables you want to compare. Then the box where they intersect will contain the correlation coefficient R with the Pearson correlation. Okay. And then it wants input the correlation. So there's two. So Rachel, do you know what this is? The correlation coefficient, is it the 0.901 or is it 1?
Correlation, it should be between -1 and 1. If I don't know what you're.
Have you put
Sorry.
it into SPSS, the Old Faithful thing?
I have. I don't know. Here, I just go to grabs. Plot.
Are you?
What's that?
Are you doing it on Excel? To find the correlation, or are you doing it?
Sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing. Let's see.
It's like echo.
Okay. I have a hard time figuring out which one is X and which one should be Y.
Do you guys want to try it on too? I just don't know if you can find the. So it says an easier way to use this is quantitative inferential procedures. After entering the first two columns, the correlation coefficient is given as R in the cell E8 on the spreadsheet. I'm going to open that up and try that too.
Where do I find that spreadsheet? Can I just find it right in the text box?
Yeah, it's in the text. Let me go right back to it. I'll tell you.
I tried, it did not.
2.1. You did what, Rachel?
Oh, I tried to input the information into Excel, and it just did not like it. So I'm gonna try again. I got like half the information, but not the other.
Like quantitative inference or
Quantitative inferential.
Okay, so we're looking for R.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I got 0.901.
Okay, that's what I got. Sweet.
Okay.
Just need to
Cool.
make sure I'm doing it right on
Yeah.
it.
Gotta have
Okay, hard. But it's like when there's so many different ways, you know, it's kind of nice to check on the different ones. Okay, so what is the direction and strength between weight and duration? So it's positive, and if it's closer to 1, it's strong. So it's positive and strong.
Yep.
Okay. And match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. Ugh.
So
Okay, well, the first one, gosh, my computer's wigging out. I can't stand this. I need to use a school computer. I need to bring my dang mouse.
So
That's
the
what I Okay, sorry. My computer's just like, it lags when I do this stuff. So
I hate that.
okay, so
It's cool.
1A is definitely strong. So it'd have to be like 1, or the R equals 1. So it's 1.
And D is like the really strong -1, probably.
Yeah, so it'd have to be -1.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's 4.
Yeah.
Okay. She.
Why are
Okay.
the others there?
I don't know. It's so confusing.
like what the heck? What?
Okay, so B would probably be close to it, maybe like a 0.95. So 2. Because it's close. I'm trying to pick out like the ones that are clear as day first. And then I think 5 would be negative 0.95. And then we have 6. And we have 3.
3 probably
Ooh,
0.
they're
Oh, yeah.
messy.
3 is probably 0 because it's about even.
Yeah,
And I would
yeah.
say 6 is probably the negative point.
Yeah, it looks like
Because there is some.
6. It looks like a moderate, you know, because it still
Some-
has linear shape, but it's not like super scattered. So
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
6 is.
Okay, I'll ask you questions about correlation coefficient. Let's open up this one.
So they use the same Excel file.
Mm-hmm. You just have to put in that data. So if you go to the Excel files, I'm assuming you can. I tell them off that there's like 100 of them.
Oh, no. The Excel.
Yeah, you're like, you don't want to do that.
140.
You okay?
Okay.
Sample, 2 sample, 2 test sample,
Is everything? Nice. So confidence rating. So I'm assuming it's 1, 2, because there's only one thing. It says, for the data file, compute a correlation coefficient of the score and confidence.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Never mind. Okay, so mine, I'm getting 0.728. Is that what you got, Rachel?
I'm a little slow.
It's fine. Okay, you're fine. Sorry.
I found it.
No worries.
Dude. Okay. I hate that I have to open like 5 windows to do this.
Yeah, no, I know what you mean.
Okay.
Is there any way, how do you find, I need to find out how you make a scatter plot. It tells you, I forgot how you make a scatter plot on SPSS. Then I know, then I can know for sure. Right. You know what I
You
mean?
just
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, you just
Oh.
gotta graph and legacy dialogue, whatever.
So graph, legacy dialogue,
And then
scatter.
you put the right X, Y, whatever.
And there's nowhere that says this is the correlation coefficient.
So which one do you
Probably
choose?
put it in the
Oh,
one
scatter plot
test
dot.
in this one.
And which one do you do?
And then
Simple
these
scatter?
numbers will change.
Simple scatter.
Yeah, I think it's simple.
Yeah, simple. Move the variable you want to the y-axis. Ooh, but I don't remember. Okay. There. Define. Which one did you choose the y next?
I have to clear the extra ones here.
Okay, I'm putting 0.728. I'm pretty sure that's right. And then what is the direction of the strength between the score and confidence? I don't know if it'll be strong, it's positive, but positive is strong.
Okay, so for the number 9, did you get the same thing? Like
What'd you
the
get?
same? I got 0.901. 0.901. Sorry, I can't talk.
I got 0.728.
What the heck? Yeah, it doesn't want to change. It doesn't recognize that I changed the data. I know.
Sometimes I have to like literally get all the way out again.
Here. I'm not
Finished it. Do you want me to submit and see how we did?
sure. Go for it.
Let's see.
You don't put them in separately.
Did you say it was positive strong?
I said it was positive strong.
Okay.
You tell me.
There was no 9.
Okay, we did miss one. We missed one. It was 0.728 and it is positive strong. The one we missed was number 4. It says if the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases, it's the other variable is in predict. No, it's, I didn't change it.
Oh no! Oh snap!
The other variable doesn't decrease. I thought I changed it. I swear, my computer doesn't pick up on what I do. It is. Otherwise, we have it all right. So, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this back in. We'll take it for a second time. Gosh dang it, Brie. So, okay. That's so frustrating. I'm like, no. That's what I'm supposed to change. This is
Okay.
my life. I go back and look at my test. And I'm like, I swear on my life, I changed my answer, but it never picks up on it. This happens all the time in this class. It drives me insane. I don't think I should. If you don't hit the save button, it just reverts right back. Yeah. I always forget that. Oh, that kills me. Okay, 1 second. This thing is going. Laptop is not slow unless it has SPSS and YouTube. It's just like, no, Bree, we're not moving at your speed. Ugh. Lord have mercy. Okay. 3 is the direction and strength. So 3. Yeah, of a linear.
Or the other variable
Tends to decrease.
five small.
Boy, Brady's not gonna get it. 0.901, yeah. Gosh.
Yeah.
So it's positive and strong. Hold on one moment. It's like, nope. It's so slow. Okay, so top one. So R equals 1 is 5.
7 to 8.
R equals negative 0.5 is 5. So like the top one on the list.
Okay, so what is R equals 1?
What, this is in a different order from mine.
Oh, really? Okay. See, that's not in order.
Okay, R equals 1 is 1.
R equals 0 was the last one, 6.
R equals 0 is 3.
Plot twist. Oh, that was the negative 0.6 plus 6. There we go.
6.
0.95,
Good job.
Shuffled the order.
right?
I don't usually do that. Right, so 0.95 is 2.
And negative 1 was 4.
Is that awesome?
Mm-hmm. And then save it. And put the correlation, what was it? 0.728? Is that what I said?
0.2.
7 to 8. Yep.
Amazing I can remember this kind of stuff. I can remember the numbers, but as soon as it comes to something that's really necessary. Positive and strong, yeah. And I answered question 9. I mean, question 1. Yeah, I did. I shouldn't say. Genius.
Whatever it is. I can't focus enough.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Are you done, Rachel?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end this video and then I'll start the next one.
Okay. See ya.
Okay.